Welcome to another video from Trader Stream, guys. My name is Mohsin. So today we'll be talking about RSI. What is RSI and what strategy you can use and how you can incorporate RSI in your trading strategy. So first let us understand what does RSI stand for. So RSI stands for Relative Strength Index, which was typically developed by a person by name J. Wallace Wilder. It is actually a momentum oscillator, which is a momentum indicator that measures the speed and change of price movement of a stock or a commodity. So the RSI oscillates between 0 to 100. So there is a range of 0 to 100 in the RSI. So normally in the worldwide, if the price of the stock and the RSI is above the cutoff of 70, it is considered as overbought. It is in the overbought region. So if the price of the stock is falling and the RSI is below 30, it is considered as the oversold territory. Now, can you use RSI in your everyday trading? Now, if you would ask my suggestion, my personal suggestion would be, yes, you can use RSI in your everyday trading, but this cannot be a standalone indicator for trading. So that's my take. Now, what we and I usually do is I use the RSI along with the different technique of tradings that I have. Now, you can go ahead and trade on a demand supply zone, or you can go ahead and trade in any strategy that you have. So what you can do is you can add another filter, which is the RSI 30 and RSI 70 or RSI 20 or RSI 80 for better confirmation. So if you see, let's say we look at the Bank Nifty price here. You saw the Bank Nifty price and the price of the RSI. The RSI indicator is showing it is above 70. So this has come into an overbought territory. So typically what happens after that is market does do a correction, because as I told you guys, the market does not go in straight line. So RSI can be used on these ideology, because the market does not move in straight line. The market always goes in a zigzag line like this. So RSI is one of the beautiful indicator that you can use if you include it along with your any of the trading strategy that you have. Now RSI will help you for a confirmation entry. Now here now take any strategy, you can include RSI. If the RSI is also above 70 or 80 and you are about to go on a short on any stock, you can take a confirmation on RSI. That's what I do. RSI is a confirmation indicator that I use. Now this cannot be a whole trading strategy indicator. Now this is something that can be used for a confirmation entry. Now RSI is a beautiful indicator to go ahead and use as a confirmation entry. Now this is about the RSI that we wanted to talk about, which is Relative Strength Index. We'll be talking about more tools and techniques in our coming videos. So this is Mohsin signing off from Trader Stream. Until have a nice day.